Good morning to all. Myself Om Shankar Yadav, Assistant Professor Agronomy. Subject is rainfed farming, and today topic is contingent crop planning for aberrant weather conditions. Effect of aberrant weather condition on crops are rainfall behavior in dry farming areas is erratic and uncertain. The deviation in rainfall behavior commonly meet with in dry areas include delayed onset, early withdrawal, and intermediary dry spells during rainy season. And suitable manipulation in crop management practices are needed to minimize such adverse effect of abnormal rainfall behavior. These management decisions constitute contingency planning. Such management and in the middle of crop growth are called mid-season or mid-term correction. The rainfall behavior and the effect on crops. Delay in onset of rainfall, length of the cropping season or crop duration is reduced, and the effect on crop is crop sowing is delayed. Early withdrawal or cessation of rainfall, moisture stress at maturity, grain filling is affected. Intermediate dry space, and second is immediately after sowing, germination will be affected, plant population will be reduced. At vegetative stage, affects stem elongation, leaf area expansion, branching or tillering, and at flowering stage affect anthesis and pollination, grain and pod number is reduced, and dry space at ripening stage, grain filling and grain size reduced. So contingency crop planning. Contingency crop planning is growing of a suitable crop in place of normally sown highly profitable crop of the region due to aberrant weather conditions or to mitigate any unexpected unfavorable accidental weather condition without prior information at any time before sowing or after sowing of crop. In dryland agriculture, contingency of growing another crop in place of normally grown crop arises due to delay in the onset of monsoon. Depending upon the date of receipt of rainfall, crop are selected. It is assumed that the rainfall for the subsequent period is normal, and depending upon the economic status of the farmers, certain amount of risk is taken to get good profit if season is normal or better than normal. Contingency cropping is highly location specific due to variation in amount and distribution of rainfall, especially in arid region. The spatial distribution of rainfall is highly variable. It is common to observe that rainfall received varies from field to field in the same location. So there are 6 types of contingency crop plans. The types are inadequate and uneven distribution of rainfall. Second is long gap in rainfall. Third, early onset of monsoon, late onset of monsoon, early cessation of rains, prolonged dry spells. These 6 contingency plans here. Contingency crop plan inadequate and uneven distribution of rainfall. In general, the rainfall is low, highly variable, which result in uncertain crop yields. Besides its uncertainty, the distribution of rainfall during the crop period is uneven, receiving high amount of rain when it is not needed and lack of it when crop needed it. So, short duration crops are grown. Cultivation of low water required crops, providing life-saving irrigation, and then contingency crop plan for long gap in rainfall. Increase in seed rate to obtain more population, spraying of urea solution, providing life-saving irrigation at critical growth stage, weeding and intercultural operations, and contingency crop plan for early onset of monsoon. Cultivate pearl millet, Sesame etc. long time crops. Grow short duration crops moisture conservation practices should be followed. Use cultural method to mitigating stress. And next is contingency crop plan for late onset of monsoon. Due to late onset of monsoon, the sowing of crops is delayed, resulting in poor yield. And alternate crop and varieties castor such as castor, aruna, green gram, cowpea, sunflower, and dry sowing, pre-sowing, seed soaking or treatment, alternate cropping or varieties, transplanting of 1 month old bajra seedlings, complete weed control, grow legumes, oilseed crops in place of cereals. And most suitable crop for this condition is sunflower. And then contingency crop plan for early cessation of rainfall. Sometimes the rain may cease very early in the season. Explain the crop to drought during flowering and maturity stage, which reduce the crop yield considerably. Select short duration varieties. Use mulching or mulch. Life saving irrigation is applied. Decrease in plant population. Contingency crop plan for prolonged dry spells and mid-season correction. Long break in the rainy season are an important feature of Indian monsoon. These intervening dry spells, when prolonged during crop period, reduce crop growth and yield, and when unduly prolonged crop failures. If mid moisture stays at 30 to 35 days after sowing, thinning of alternate row of sorghum and pearl millet. If severe moisture stays at 30 to 35 days after sowing, cutting of sorghum and pearl millet and retuning. If moisture stays at blooming stage, cutting of sorghum and pearl millet and retuning. Breaking of monsoon for short while, shallow intercultivation for eradicating weeds and soil mulch. Wider spacing for moisture conservation. Spray of 2% urea after drought period is useful for intermediate crop like castor, pigeon pea and groundnut. Soil mulching to reduce evaporation. Life saving irrigation is applied if dry place in 10 days of sowing. रीसोविंग अर्ली स्टेज पे ड्राई प्लेस हो जाता है तो रीसोविंग कर देते हैं. वीड कंट्रोल टू सेव वाटर न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वीड कंट्रोल, सो वाटर एंड वीड्स आर कंट्रोल्ड. एंड कंटिजेंसी क्रॉप प्लान फॉर ड्राई स्प्ले ड्यूरिंग क्रॉप ग्रोविंग पीरियड. रटूनिंग, mulching and thinning. Crop have to be selected with suitable crop duration to coincide with the length of the growing season. And crop affected damage adversely. Contingency measures is rise and flood is immediately in low lying village of the Sri Lanka. After flood, water is received, apply 25 kg urea and 10 to 15 kg of muriate of potash as booster dose to long duration varieties. Apply 15 to 20 kg of potash or spray water for medium duration variety. And the command area of Nagawali is in mid to moderate affected field due to long uprooting. Take up prophylactic or need pest spray to prevent fungal disease, blight or and in oil seeds, groundnut and sesame. Lodging in sesame, waterlogging in groundnut, harvesting at physiological maturity of pod in sesame. Undertake quick drying, threshing, safe storage and marketing. provide quick reduction in soil moisture and groundnut field to prevent premature germination by opening of drainage channels immediately after flood water needed and harvesting at physiological maturity. This is end.